Welcome to Bengal, a center of learning and commerce during the pre-colonial era. Rani Rashmoni, a philanthropist from Bengal, defied social norms. She funded infrastructure projects and revived Durga Puja celebrations, fostering cultural pride. Mangal Pandey, a sepoy stationed in Barrackpore, sparked the Sepoy Mutiny of 1857 by refusing to use greased cartridges. His act ignited a rebellion against British rule. Bengal played a crucial role in the freedom struggle, with intellectuals and revolutionaries leading the fight. Remembering their sacrifices inspires future generations. Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, known for its rich agricultural heritage and martial spirit. Bhagat Singh, a fearless revolutionary from Punjab, challenged British authority. He embraced martyrdom through his acts of defiance, inspiring generations to fight for freedom. You may hang me, but you cannot hang ideas. Freedom for India is like a seed sown in fertile soil. It will grow, and no amount of repression can stop it. Punjabis played a significant role in the freedom struggle, with their bravery and sacrifice leaving an indelible mark. Their legacy continues to inspire the fight for justice and equality. Maharashtra, a land of warriors, saints, and rich cultural heritage. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, a fearless queen, defied the British Empire. Leading her army from the front lines, she became a symbol of courage and resistance in the fight for freedom. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, a visionary leader, established the Maratha Empire. His guerrilla warfare tactics and unwavering pursuit of freedom inspired generations of fighters. Maharashtra played a crucial role in the freedom struggle, with its brave warriors and strategic leaders leaving a lasting legacy. Their spirit of independence continues to inspire. Tamil Nadu, a land of ancient temples, rich literature, and unwavering resistance. Veeramangi Velu Nachiyar, a queen from Shivaganga, fought valiantly against the British East India Company. Her guerrilla warfare tactics and strategic alliances challenged British dominance in the region. V.O. Chidambaram Pillai, a fiery leader from Tamil Nadu, advocated for self-rule and indigenous industries. His powerful speeches and call for Swadeshi, use of domestic goods, inspired many to join the freedom struggle. Tamil Nadu played a significant role in the freedom struggle, with its courageous leaders and unwavering spirit of self-determination. Their legacy continues to inspire the fight for social justice and equality. Hello world.